Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Dr.meter aluminum fishing pliers, saltwater resistant fishing gear, tungsten carbide cutters, split ring pliers, hook remover, fish holder with fish lip gripper, and fishing gloves 3PCS. Complete 3-piece fishing tool set. Get the kit that does it all. Each Dr.meter fishing tool set includes a fish plier, a fish gripper, and even a durable fish gloves. It's perfect for pros and amateurs alike. Heavy-duty fish plier. Thanks to its aluminum and stainless steel construction, the fish plier is tough as nails. Use it to remove hooks, cut your line, and more. Convenient fish gripper. Hold on to slippery, slimy fish with the fish gripper. The metal hook holds the fish in place, and the EVA handle helps you maintain a tight grip in both wet and dry conditions. Protective fish gloves keep your hands safe and in tip-top condition with the protective gloves. The glove is made from high-quality ethylene fabric with a rubber-reinforced pump. These gloves maximize durability without sacrificing flexibility. Never lose your tools. We've included a fastener lock, a coiled lanyard, and a sturdy nylon sheath to help you keep track of your pliers. You'll never lose track of them again. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.